What's up, guys? It's your boy Brunus Maximus, and today I've got the final shootout of the year. It's the New Jersey Devils versus the Tampa Bay Lightning. And yes, this will be the last NHL shootout till October. Here comes Stamkos for the Lightning. Oh, Stamkos scores off of Schneider. Here comes Wood for the Devils. Ooh, Wood tries.
That is a pressure save there, Doc, in order to keep the shootout alive.
Here comes Johnson for the Lightning. Huge pad save for Schneider. We got a good goal, and this game is tied. Huge pad save by Schneider as he declines. Here comes Zaka for the Devils. Zaka scores! The Devils are up now 2-1, as this is the final shootout game of the NHL 19 till October. But don't worry, guys, I will probably still be uploading videos during my summer. Here comes Point for the Lightning. Huge save for Schneider. We got a good goal, and the Devils win the shootout. I really enjoyed making these NHL shootout videos for you guys. And so will you please smash the like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that post notification so when another shootout video gets back up in October, you'll be able to watch it.
Subscribe, all the cool kids are doing it.